I'm Judy from PrePak Products. Our topic this morning is 4 injuries that shoulder pulleys can help heal. So what is a shoulder pulley? Shoulder pulleys are used for assisted range of motion exercises. They are an important component of the recovery process for many shoulder injuries. There are 4 injuries that shoulder pulleys can help heal. The first is fractures. Minor fractures of the humerus, the arm bone, or the clavicle, the collarbone, can often be treated without surgery, although surgery will be required if the bones need to be realigned. After a period of immobilization, range of motion exercises will be needed and can be performed by doing simple shoulder exercises using your shoulder pulley. The second injury area is rotator cuffs. The rotator cuff is comprised of the muscles and tendons of the shoulder. Common injuries to this area include tendinitis, bursitis, and tears. Minor rotator cuff injuries may be treated with rest and simple stretching and strengthening exercises. The third area of injury is called frozen shoulder, also known as adhesive capsulitis. Frozen shoulder is characterized by stiffness and pain in the shoulder joint. A range of motion exercises are an important part of the recovery and prevention of frozen shoulder. The fourth area of injury is shoulder replacement surgery. Arthritis, severe fractures, and rotator cuff injuries can all be the cause for the need of shoulder replacement surgery. As with other surgeries, shoulder replacement will be followed by a period of immobilization where the shoulder is allowed to rest. Here are some things to expect in your physical therapist's office. At your physical therapist's office, you will be given passive range of motion exercises where you'll be asked to relax the muscles of the arm and the shoulder while the therapist manipulates your arm for you. Although these passive range of motion exercises are really important, you'll need to continue doing your shoulder rehab exercises at home. This is where a shoulder pulley comes in. A shoulder pulley allows you to do passive range of motion exercises just like you did in your therapist's office, but by yourself. Using your good arm, you can take your relaxed, healing arm up through its full range of motion, rehabilitating movements that are necessary. Shoulder pulley range of motion exercises can be performed much more frequently if you do them at home or in your office. Remember, it's very important to do the right exercises at the right time. You should always follow the advice of your physical therapist or your doctor, who can tell you exactly which exercises to do and when for your particular problem. So once again, there are 4 injuries that shoulder pulleys can help heal: fractures, rotator cuff, frozen shoulder, and shoulder replacement surgery. Shoulder pulleys are essential in restoring range of motion. If you'd like more information about PrePak products or how you can use our pulleys, please feel free to give us a call. You can also subscribe below so that you can be updated on additional informational videos like this one. See you next time.